today's product review is going to be on Carol's Daughter. I have been using Carol's Daughter now for about almost a month and a half. It's my protective style, you guys, okay? My protective style is just 2 braids. Like, it's really simple. Switching up the products, I give products a chance because I do believe in your hair getting used to things. If you use it for too long, you start to not really see the results, or either the results aren't as fast as they were when you first started using that product. I've enjoyed using Carol's Daughter so far. I like the smell. So far everything is lightweight, and so far I've been using the Carol's Daughter, the leave-in Divine Strength Cream. Wet hair, it really helps detangle the hair. Like, it's a good product to start with. Also have leave-in conditioner by Carol's Daughter too. I spray it in all throughout along with the cream. And then the last process of doing these 2 simple braids is moisturizing. And I have the moisturizing oil, the 7 blend hair and scalp oil. So these are the 3 products that I use to strengthen my hair and help it grow while I have it in this protective style. And I have found that these 3 work really, really, really well together. And if you've been watching my channel for some time, you'll learn about me. Everything I use for my hair has to be lightweight because I love volume. And in order for your hair to be voluptuous, you need to have some lightweight products. So Carol's Daughter is a great product to use for lightweight. Disclaimer, this stuff I'm using on wet to dry first. So I haven't used this like if you're wearing a wrap or you're wearing straight hair. So the application to this stuff being lightweight for like a braid out or a twist out, highly, highly recommend it. So I'm gonna get started and just show you how easy these products are to be applied to the hair. Steps. Let's go. So when I take my braids out, I try to take them out as neatly as possible. I have learned that when you just take the hair out real quick, you mess up the pattern that you've braided. So it's always easy to keep it in the pattern. You can see the pattern that your hands kind of followed when you were doing the 3 braid system. So you can see I kept it neat, so everything is kind of in line. This just helps me from not damaging my hair, from not making it weak. I want to keep it strong. I still recommend that when you're doing protective styles, the less you touch your hair, the better the results are going to be, especially when it comes to damage. So after I get both sides of my hair out neatly, I apply water. I do one side at a time. I don't wet the whole thing because once water hits my hair, it poofs. So it's better to control it one side at a time. strengthening cream and the oil, and I'm spraying in the leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff so much because it just smells so good. It smells like almond milk. That I spray it in one more time to get my hair the last bit of moisturizer, like that last layer. So that's it, guys. Carol's Daughter review. I give it a 10 out of 10. That's the best of the best. It is a lovely product. It's lightweight. It smells great. It keeps your hair nice and soft. That's the thing I love about it most. At the end, when I'm done everything, I put on a nice little do-rag. I know it's kind of corny, but it works because it leaves my hair nice and flat, and it gives me just a sleek look that is truly my preference. So I'll show you. Coming back to my channel. Before you go, make sure that you hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, let me know when you try this product, and we can exchange some back and forths on, I told you, good, right? All right, till next